Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to solve the problem chats on mobile browser are not available. Use Messenger to keep chatting. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, open the mobile browser and log in to your Facebook account. On the profile page you will see the messages icon. Tap on it. Now you can see that it's not possible to chat here as it says to switch to the Messenger application. To solve this issue and to chat in mobile browser without opening the Messenger application, go back to the home page, tap on the three dots from the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the checkbox next to the desktop site option to turn it on. Desktop version of the Facebook website will appear on your mobile screen. And now you can easily access the features which are not available in mobile version of the site. Now tap on Go Back. On the home screen you will see messages icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now the chats page will open. Select the person with whom you want to chat. Tap on the keypad from the bottom and continue chatting. This is how you can send or receive messages directly through the Facebook platform without using separate messenger application.